All right, so we just got the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Granted, it's in the box. Just picked it up from the lobby downstairs. And we're gonna get this unboxed, so let's get right to it. All right, we got the phone right here, and let's get right into position and unbox the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. All right, we got the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'm super excited for this. Now, I don't know why this isn't called the Pixel Fold 2, but whatever. We get this nice thin box. I got the porcelain color, 256 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, obviously, and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get this unboxed. And also I ordered the Pixel Watch, and that is also on the way. So let's get these open. Let's peel this. And it's gonna be very similar to the Pixel 9 Pro XL that I have right here. It's like a kind of, it's a foldable of both the Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro series. Like it doesn't, I don't know, from what I've seen so far, it's not really a full Pro. But let's kind of slide this out, and actually sliding out looks kind of difficult if you ask me. So let's kind of see if I can slide it out like this. There we go. Let's put my trusty Entei aside. Let's put that right there, and we're gonna pop this open. I'm super excited to check this out because we got right here the OnePlus Open as well as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So we're gonna have lots of great comparisons and all that good stuff, but ooh, wow, this does feel a little bit on the heavier side, but ooh, that looks clean. Let's put that aside. See what else we get. We get the USB-C to C, and then we just get, you know, the instructions and all that stuff, and probably the SIM ejector tool. And this feels a little bit heavy. I believe it's 257 grams, and it's IPX8, not IP68, water resistant. And we're getting a different size when compared to its predecessor. But let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, that is clean. That is clean. That is super clean. Granted, I still wish phones like had the anti-reflective coating display, but that's okay. It's super thin. That is the first thing I have to say. That is a super thin phone. And just as like a comparison, I'm gonna open up the OnePlus Open. Oh wow, that is very thin. Much thinner. And I have the Z Fold 6 too as well, and that's probably also super thin, much thinner. Yep, definitely much thinner than the Z Fold 6. So let's go ahead. Ooh, that's a nice fold. I like that. It opens completely flat. Like it, I do like it. Now, the outer display is a 6.3 inch. It's Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, 120 hertz OLED display. Max peak brightness of 2,700 nits. When we open the display, it's an 8-inch display, 8-inch inner display. That's pretty large. And again, it's LTPO OLED, 120 hertz, HDR10 plus, and a peak brightness of 2,700 nits. And it's more full display when compared to last year. I literally bought it and I returned it because I just didn't like the form factor. I liked the outer display, but the inner display was just, it was not great. Now the crease, yeah, it's there. I mean, it's to be expected. That's completely fine. But I love how this looks. The camera layout doesn't look too bad. I haven't heard the it's Pro XL type cameras, but it's more of like just regular Pixel 9. And putting them side by side, oh yeah, I think that Pixel 9 Pro Fold is going to be easier to carry. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to boot this open and see what's here. We get Tensor G4, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, Android 14 with 7 years of software updates. Oh, that was quick. So I'm going to get this started real quick. We have the fingerprint sensor in the power button, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the initial setup done. And obviously I'm gonna port everything from my Pixel 9 Pro XL over to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But this is really clean. I love this display, first of all. It looks really, really clean. And for those who say all the creases there, when I'm looking at it head on, it it doesn't, you won't see it. Obviously, when you shine it against light, you're gonna see it, and when you run your finger, but that's to be expected. And it's really not that bad, honestly. I mean, I don't really care. I pointed out because, you know, there are people that wanna know how dense and deep is the crease, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. But this is a super large display, and actually, I wanna bring over my iPad mini just as a little reference because, you know, it's similar kind. It's not really, I mean, it's pretty much almost the size of an iPad mini. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Let's put that side by side. Not too bad, and I'm looking forward to a upgraded iPad mini 7. We'll see. But it's like carrying an iPad mini of sorts in your pocket, and you get to fold it. And let's go ahead and fold this. Again, it's a flat, completely flat fold. Look at that, really thin. Fold it just like that, and we have the outer display, albeit it has a little bit of thicker bezels, but it really does feel just like a normal conventional smartphone. I really do like this porcelain color though. Hats off to Google for making a great color. Feels really premium in the hand. And yeah, it doesn't have like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's got Tensor G4, and for those who say, oh, it doesn't benchmark against it, you know, I'm completely fine with that. You know, same with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, I'm completely fine with that. I put out a video of this, and I've got some more videos coming very soon on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and very, very positive outlook. You know, I got very positive thoughts about this phone, so I'm expecting the same with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, especially using its predecessor. I'm assuming from my first impressions that this is going to be super good, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Obviously, we've got the other foldables. We got the OnePlus Open. We've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I will be comparing the three, comparing each of them together and seeing which one is the best foldable to pick up, at least here in the US. There are other options outside, but you know, we only get mainly 3 foldables here in the US, at least as far as I know. But yeah, this is looking really clean. I wanna go ahead and just bring up the brightness a little bit more, and that's how bright it gets. So there you have it. That is Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I like how it's looking. I'm gonna be porting everything over from my Pixel 9 Pro XL, going ahead and kind of switching everything over, and I can't wait to see what we get, what's in store with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So definitely be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Lots of content is coming very soon. Tech season is well underway. Started in July, August, now we're in September, and it's going to continue for pretty much the rest of the year. So definitely be sure to stay tuned because, like I said, lots of content is coming to this channel. Lots of content is coming to my Tesla Volt channel. Be sure to subscribe to that one if you haven't already. Lots of content is coming to my Dose of Pokemon channel. Also, you can find that on my channel page. It's going to get crazy. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it from me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.